As a high school principal, I see how important it is for teens and the adults around them to learn and grow together. How can teens and adults use this book in shared and meaningful ways?
As a librarian, I've read these books and see them as wonderful shared experiences for teens and the adults who care for them. The stories are designed for independent reading, read aloud, and read to experiences, making them easy to enjoy together. Whether shared at home, in schools, libraries, youth groups, or other caring spaces, the books invite teens and their champions of caring, parents, teachers, caregivers, mentors, and more to reflect, grow, and walk through life's moments side by side.
Well done. You've discovered that loyalty means choosing what is good and staying committed, especially in the trusting relationships you build with the teens in your care. When you choose to walk alongside them through shared reading and reflection, that steady loyalty strengthens bonds and reassures teens that they are not walking alone. Through your example as educators and guides, you show teens how faithfulness, encouragement, and support can grow when adults remain present and committed. Now you both have the pop superhero power.
As a single mom watching my 13-year-old son step more into the world, I often wonder what will truly help him grow strong and confident. What do teens gain from reading these stories?
As a single dad watching my 16-year-old son take new steps toward independence, I see how meaningful guidance matters. When teens read these teen short stories, they gain far more than entertainment. Teens gain social and emotional learning skills that help them understand their feelings, navigate relationships, and grow with purpose. They also gain faith-building tools rooted in their relationship with Jesus, tools that help heal hurts, soothe the soul, and bring lasting joy to the heart. Through every story, teens gain personal growth, healthy habits, essential life skills, and moral character development, gifts that stay with them at home, at school, in the community, and wherever life leads them.
Yes, you're seeing it now. You recognize the meaningful gains these teen stories offer and how they can shape a teen's inner life, character, and sense of direction. As parents walking closely with your teens, allow your hearts to stay open to the glorious guidance and joy of Jesus. Even though life may include moments of challenge, you can model a steady joy because Jesus is always there. This is joyful suffering, where faith carries the Spirit. Through the power of prayer, continue to let joy walk hand in hand with you and your team, helping them see that every good and golden dream can grow, take shape, and come true. Now you all have the pop superhero power.